Welcome to your channel IKF. In today's video, we are going to talk about Xiaomi, a renowned global smartphone manufacturer who has made a significant entry into the electric vehicle market with the unveiling of its highly anticipated SU7 electric car. Xiaomi goes where Apple shied away from, that is, EV cars. First, let's watch this video released by Xiaomi about the top speed of its SU7, the time it takes from 0 to 100, and the distance it requires to come to a complete halt from the speed of 100 km per hour. That there is Xiaomi SU7 for you. Xiaomi has put a lower than expected price tag on its first electric vehicle as it joins the fiercely competitive race in China's EV market. They have now announced to be offering 4 variants, including an entry-level model, a Pro version, a Max edition, and a limited Founders edition. The standard SUV EV model will be priced at $30,000. The Xiaomi SU7 electric car also comes in Pro and Max version, priced at $34,000 and $41,500 respectively, which is fair enough and pretty much competitive. With the EV's minimum range of 700 kilometers, beats Tesla Model 3's 567 kilometers, which is a significant leap over its competitor. Lee said the Max version can hit speeds of 265 kilometers per hour, faster than the top speed of Porsche Taycan Turbo. This is another destroyer for the European car industry, because such a car produced in Europe costs $100,000, which is almost 3 times higher. Xiaomi leaps into the EV market with the launch of the Thor, challenging Elon Musk's dominance. Li Jun, hailed as Chinese Steve Jobs, unveils the SU7 car in Beijing, marking Xiaomi's bold move from smartphones to electric cars. Despite warnings of initial losses, the move mirrors Tesla's daring strategy. The company, best known for its smartphones and a wide range of affordable appliances, started taking orders for the SUV7 from 10 p.m. Beijing time on 29th March onwards, and it said it received 50,000 orders within the first 27 minutes, which seems very promising if true. And deliveries for the standard and Max models will start in the late April, and the Pro model will follow by the end of May. Xiaomi announced plans to build its own electric vehicle in 2021, saying it would invest $10 billion in the business over the next decade. Li referred to the future venture as his last major startup project. Xiaomi took a different route than fellow smartphone maker Huawei, which chose to collaborate with existing automakers for its foray into the EVs. The Beijing-based company is entering the race at a time when major players like BYD and Tesla are aggressively cutting prices to gain share in the world's biggest auto market. This is happening as the Chinese economy slows amid weak consumer demand. The latest data showed that retail sales of electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles dropped 12% in China last month. EV makers NIO and Li Auto have both lowered first quarter deliveries guidance due to soft sales. Against this backdrop, Xiaomi's price strategy could give it a valuable edge, according to the CCB international equity analyst Clint Su. The prices are lower than street and our expectations, which should benefit sales volumes. Xiaomi is positioning its cars to compete against Tesla's Model 3 and Porsche's Taycan, as well as Geely Automobile's Zeekr 007. As far as the global launch is concerned, for now, the company is targeting 39 Chinese cities by the end of the year, but didn't say if it plans to sell the car overseas, which they definitely would, if the initial response from the domestic market meet their expectations. Overall, we sense the confidence from the company in core business and commitment in EV business, while investors still have concerns on competition and margin outlook. This confidence is depicted in the stock exchange as well. Xiaomi's US-listed stock closed 12% higher overnight on Wall Street. Analysts have been split on whether Xiaomi's car project will succeed. Some say it is a natural extension for the company. whose rice cookers, air purifiers, and other electronics are ubiquitous in Chinese homes. Quote, "The current market environment is quite challenging for newcomers, with the top 10 players continuously expanding their market share," unquote, said Gavical Dragonomics analyst. Another market analyst said, if Xiaomi can't sell at scale in a short time, it's facing the risk of being profit dragger for the company. Analyst Bernard Kopik says Xiaomi's smartphone expertise gives it an edge over traditional automakers when it comes to smart cockpits. An analyst from Citigroup said, initial orders from Xiaomi's SU7 look encouraging and projects that shipments will reach 60,000 units in 2024. Nomura analyst said, if Xiaomi did indeed log 50,000 orders for its EVs, that could change market dynamics. And I personally believe these concerns are pretty much valid. I hope you have enjoyed today's video thoroughly. If not, then do share your feedback so we can improve and grow together. Take care and have a good day.